So this is something I do in my free time. Try to put together my programming and engineering skills. Here I have a robotic hand attached to a servo and controlled by a flex sensor that's attached to my hand. So I have used this, the prototype that I made to control the flex sensor. You can use gloves or any other thing. I'm kind of a minimalist guy, so I preferred reducing all the extra spaces and put them in a single finger. Also, you can use like 5 servo motors controlled by 5 flex sensors. So I'm like too busy and I don't have enough time. That's why I preferred only using 1 servo motor and 1 flex sensor at this moment. But in near future, I might do like more customizable versions. For instance, using this ESP32 and making it like wireless, or like attaching some gyroscope or accelerometer to have some more controls. But for now, I guess this will make my day. And the servo I have used is a high-tech HES 322 HD servo motor. So it's a 180-degree positional angular servo motor rather than the continuous one. Most people try to use the continuous servo motors and they kind of struggle with the position of the fingers. That's why I suggest using the angular servo motors. So now let's see how it works. So this is how it works.